So come and do the chops with me. I am making my parrots some dinner today, so let's get on with it. Here is the courgette. Let's get chopping them. So I have a little helper helping me do the chopping, whereas he's watching doing the chopping. He thinks he's going to get something nice, but he's got to wait until it is ready. Red pepper. Let's get chopping. We have some plums as well, so let's get chopping. So we have the courgette, we have the red pepper, and we have the plum. So this is for 6 parrots, and I'm going to share it out all between them. It may look a lot, but there's actually 6 parrots to have it. And it is important to not give too much fruit, so that's why we've only gone with 1 piece of fruit today. So courgettes are good, red peppers are brilliant as well because they're full of vitamins. And yeah, and a nice bit of fruit. Albert loves his fruit. This is how much my parrots will get each. As you can see, courgette, red pepper and some plum. This is what they'll get. My parrots like having big chunky pieces. They like to hold it in their feet to pick up, so they don't like it too small. So that's why I haven't cut it too small, because they like to hold it. So it is chops, but it's also a chop that is not too small.